At RubberStamps.com, I do social media, a little bit of marketing, a little bit of blog action. So I do a lot of crafting. So I like to think that I'm a bit of an expert. Got lots of years of experience.
I'm in charge of the video department, which is me. I mean, I'm kind of like the Steven Spielberg around here. Multiple tasks. Fake It Till You Make It is a series on crafting, and we'll teach you a couple things along the way, maybe more what not to do than what to do.
Try not to like rock it.
And we were planted.
Ooh, okay, all right. Basically the point of the show is having me, the expert crafter, teach Paul, just the average Joe, that crafting is fun and easy, and you don't need to be an expert to do it. Little circles.
Little circles. Am I close enough here? Ah, circles.
Sometimes we screw up, and sometimes things aren't perfect, Paul, and that's okay. A little mistake, but
well, you know what? That's okay. The homemade touch. My role in the series is kind of the, oh, I'm a guy who doesn't know how to do any kind of crafting. You know, I've learned a few trades and skills over the years. And what's swimming this way? Little Paul, that's who. See the resemblance? How about now?
Is he bringing up those art projects again?
I mean, how can you not love a good snowman? Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of creepy. Half lizard, half whale. Kind of like my ex-wife.
He won't shut up about his stupid craft projects from like 3rd grade.
All right, if you had to guess what this is, what would you say? If you said dinosaurs eating snakes, you'd be correct. Well, hey kids. Yeah, I would say I was a pretty artistic kid.
He thinks he's some like child prodigy in the crafting world.
Kaitlyn is probably slightly above the level of crafting I'm at. Let's just say her crafting ego gets in the way sometimes. What?
Well, like, I don't want to say that I'm Martha Stewart, but I'm like basically her sister.
Do you recommend doing one every corner?
You know, it's really just like follow your heart.
You know, this may not look like much, but I think we got something pretty special here. Let's get crafting. Time for lunch. Can we go Chipotle?
It's not good for a diet.
I was gonna say, I'm having an issue.
What do you mean? That's what I was gonna say. You saying I'm fat, Paul?